How to make your hometown private on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your hometown private on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings and now go down until you find here this one, profile information. Click on it and then you will find here your hometown. Just click this pen and then click here, and if you want it for your friends or only for you, and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.